Hi guys, it's me, ColorMeCassie, and today we're doing my Beautylish Lucky Bag for 2018! Woo! So guys, today I just got my Beautylish Lucky Bag for 2018, and I'm so excited about this. I almost got one last year, but didn't end up getting one in time. So this year I did get one. I went on their website and all of the extra larges were already sold out, so this is the regular size, but I just wanted to go ahead and open this up for you guys today. I thought that would be fun. There's supposed to be $150 worth of stuff in here, so that's pretty awesome. Before we get started, I just wanted to introduce myself to those of you I haven't met yet. Hi, my name is Cassie. It's nice to meet you, and I would love for you to become friends with me on the internet, and how you can do that is by scrolling down and clicking that red subscribe button down below. Also, make sure you hit the little notification bell so that you get notified every time I make a new video. And also, I have a 10,000, I don't know how to do that many zeros with my hands, but I have a 10,000 subscriber giveaway going on right now, so you could win a Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette and a ton of other palettes and stuff like that. It's a huge, super huge giveaway with 2 grand prize winners and some other winners as well, so make sure you go check that out. I'll have it linked up here and also down in a card down below. So without further ado, let's just jump right into my Beautylish Lucky Bag 2018 unboxing. So guys, this is what the Beautylish Lucky Bag box. Is this supposed to be a bag or a box? I'm not sure, but it's in a box. So this is what it looks like. It's just kind of a cardboard packing box from Beautylish, and then we've got this fun paper in here. We're just gonna hop in. We've got some black paper in there as well. And this thing is packed. They packed it very efficiently. It's heavy. I'm excited. There are heavy pieces in here, you guys. Everything is so wrapped. I'm so impatient, you guys. That's cool. I got a Z palette. I have been wanting one of these for a while, but it's really hard for me to justify the price of them, and I always kind of think, oh, I'll just make one. But, you know, now I have a pretty big Z palette. I like that. That is cool. I think this is like the medium size or something, but this will definitely fit a lot of my loose shadows. I have some Makeup Geek ones that are in a tiny one right now, and I really need a bigger one for that. So this is really fun. I'm excited about that. I think these are like, I want to say like $20. This is worth like $20 or something like that. So that is really, really cool. Okay, next thing I'm seeing here is a brush. It's a Wayne Goss brush. That's really cool. It's number 19. Gotta get it out of the plastic. So just a little small blender brush. So I don't know exactly the price of this, but I think these are pretty expensive brushes. It feels really nice, really soft, and I'm excited to try that out. I love Wayne Goss. If you guys don't know who Wayne Goss is, he's a makeup artist here on YouTube. He's actually a makeup artist, though, not just like a makeup artist. I do freelance makeup artistry as well, so I can say that without making fun of myself. But he is a makeup artist in Europe, and he has a YouTube channel over here, and he really does teach you makeup artistry techniques. He's a very interesting guy to watch, so if that's something that sounds cool to you, then you should go search him on YouTube because he's amazing. Okay, so the next thing I see in here is wrapped in bubble wrap. I can't get the bubble wrap off. Come on, unbubble. So this looks like a Jeffree Star eyeshadow palette. It's the Androgyny palette. I have never tried this before. I don't have any of Jeffree Star's products, so this will be pretty cool to try out. And it looks like that on the inside. I'm not a gigantic fan of the color palette just because it doesn't go together very well, in my opinion. It's not really themed. I mean, that can be a good thing if you want a lot of color, and I do like color, but usually I like it to be like a themed palette so I can take it with me and, you know, blend between different things. But I am excited about this because I know this is pretty expensive, and these are really, really big pans, and this would be great if you want to bring a palette to do a lot of different kinds of looks with. I would just probably have to bring something else to supplement so that I had things I could blend together a little bit easier, like more transition shades and things like that. So definitely really, really excited about this. I know this is worth a lot, so that's fun. Next thing I'm seeing in this is something I have no idea what it is. It says Sanskrit Saponins. I have no idea at all what this is at all. Dermal Science, it says. I just set down my scissors. I have no idea where I put it. So this, I really don't understand what it is. Use once every other day in the morning or at the night. It's essentially like a cleanser It must be like a really strong cleanser because you're only supposed to use it every other day. But this is what it looks like. It's just in this big tube. So skincare is something that I'm not always like super thrilled to get, but it's something that I kind of need. So that's a good thing. It's good to get it. I just, this kind of thing doesn't excite me as much. I think this might be a little bit of a scrub, and I do like scrubs more, so I'll have to try this out and let you guys know what I think. Next thing I have in here is the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Lips Matte Contour Liquid Lipstick, and I don't know what the shade is. Maybe the shade is Hollywood Lips? I don't know. So this is the packaging for the Charlotte Tilbury. I think it's really, really, really cute. It's a liquid lipstick, which I am very excited about. I think it'll be good, so I'll just have to try this out and let you guys know what I think. I will go ahead and swatch it for you though. It looks like a really nice dark nude shade, and this is a shade that I really tend to like. It feels pretty creamy, so it doesn't feel like it's going to be one of those really, really drying mattes, but I'll just have to see how it wears sometime. So if you guys want a review of this, then let me know in the comments down below so I can do that for you guys. Ooh, okay, so this is a Natasha-Nona Blush Duo. Last year I saw they had a Natasha-Nona eyeshadow palette, which was really cool. I was so jealous. But this year they have a Natasha-Nona blush, which is awesome. I have not tried this yet, so I'll have to do that. This is what the packaging looks like. I think it's very, very cute. And the inside looks like that. So those are two really pretty colors. I'm excited to try it out. You get one more orange shade and one very pink shade. So I think those could be really, really pretty on my skin. The orange shade is pretty much my skin tone, except oranger. So we'll have to see how that goes, but I really like the pink shade. That's cool. That is very cool. I know that these are expensive, so that's definitely a fun thing to get. Okay. So I was looking for more in the bag, and apparently there's not more in the bag. And to be honest with you, I'm a little bit disappointed. I thought there would be more than this. I got the Androgyny palette, which is cool. I got the Natasha-Nona blush. I got a Charlotte Tilbury lipstick, a facial scrub thing, and a Z palette. And really, I looked it up, and actually I think I must have paid $75 for this thing. It says that the regular size is $75. Yeah, so the Z palette should be around $20. I think I'm right on that. Around $20 for this guy. The Jeffree Star palette is $45. So far we're at $65. I guess the Natasha-Nona blush palette is worth $38. So we're at like 100-ish right now. The Charlotte Tilbury liquid lipstick is $34. So we're like at $130, $140. And then we do get this item as well, which I don't really know how to look up because I'm not exactly sure what it's called. But so I guess we are right at the 140 and over mark. So it is a good value. You're getting a good value for your money. But I had heard so much hype about the Beautylish Lucky Bags. Last year seemed like it was ridiculously good. But I felt like this box was supposed to be so much better than BoxyCharm, and I feel like I've had BoxyCharms that are pretty close to this, and it's a lot less expensive. Like, not gonna lie, paying $75 for something like that and then paying $20 for my BoxyCharm, it's kind of a hard battle for Beautylish to win. Don't get me wrong, it's definitely worth the value. Everything in there is worth way more than I paid for the box, so it's definitely a really good deal. Not something that I'm super wowed by, if you know what I mean. That is not how I expected this video to go. I expected it to go like a lot better, but it's still really good and it's still like a really decent value. So I'm not trying to pound on the box at all. I'm not trying to say, hey, don't get the Beautylish bag. I was just holding it up on a pedestal and thought it was going to be so much better. I thought it was going to be like 3 or 4 times better than BoxyCharms that I've gotten in the past, and it really wasn't. It was a little bit of a letdown as to what I thought it was going to be. So yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say about the Beautylish Lucky Bag for 2018. I'm probably going to be one of the few YouTubers who is not like totally blown out of their mind amazed by this Beautylish bag, but you know, I wasn't feeling it too much. Hopefully there'll be a cool one next year. I'm going to really try to get the large size of the Lucky Bag next year because I think that one is the mind-blowing one. If you like this video, make sure you give it a big, huge thumbs up. And if you think I'm dumb and made the wrong choice, then you can go ahead and give this video a thumbs down. I'm okay with that. I understand that. And guys, let me know what product you like most from the Beautylish bag and if you think it was worth it in the comments down below because I love chatting with you guys down there. And guys, if you want to see more videos like this, if you like seeing unboxings and you think they're fun, then make sure you scroll down and subscribe to my channel because I do a ton of beauty unboxings over in my little corner of the internet. That's pretty much it. I love you guys and I'll see you next time. Bye!